Oh, maths is so fun with Mr Nunn and my flowery shirts. What are we learning today? Well, today we're going to learn the difference between factors and multiples.
Yay!
But thank you. First, look at my shirt, because it's not a flowery shirt. Surprise you today, it's got deck chairs on. About a year old, came from Shoreditch, and I'm told it's uber trendy. Back to the maths. Okay, so often kids in my class say to me, Mr Nunn, what's the difference between a factor and a multiple?
Mr Nunn, what's the difference between a factor and a multiple?
Well, good question. Let's have a look, shall we? So, multiple's very easy. A multiple of a number is just any number that's in that number's times table. So let's look at the number 8. Multiples of 8 could start with 8, and they just go up the times table. 16, 24, 32, 40, etc. So they are multiples of the number 8. Now factors are much different. Factor of a number is a whole number, that when it's multiplied by another whole number equals the 8. So let's have a look at that. So let's take number 1. What do we multiply 1 by to get to 8? 8. So the numbers 1 and 8 are factors of 8, because you can say 1 multiplied by 8 equals 8. Are there any other factors of 8?
Yes!
Go for it.
2 and 4.
Brilliant. 2 and 4, because 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. And we can just check, could 3 be a factor?
No.
No, then we got 4 in. So we found all the factors of 8 there. So that's fantastic. Okay. When a number has only 2 factors, we call it a prime number. And actually, it was my 53rd birthday yesterday, and 53 is a prime number because the only 2 factors it has are 1 and 53. So there you go. Anyway, I'm going to let you find multiples and factors of a number now, and we'll come and see whether you can get that right. So, can you find me 3 multiples of 12 and try and find me all the factors of 12 as well? Okay, if you pause your YouTube video, have a look at that, and we'll come back in a couple of minutes and try it. Pause. Unpause. Okay, multiples of 12. Give me some multiples of 12.
12.
12, brilliant. And
24.
brilliant. And
36.
etc, etc. Right, so it's just the numbers in the 12 times table. But in terms of factors, we've got to find 2 numbers when multiplied together equal 12. Give me a couple of numbers.
1 and 12.
1 and 12, brilliant. Are there any others?
2 and 6.
2 and 6, brilliant. Are there any others?
Yes.
How about 3?
3 and 4.
Brilliant, 3 and 4. So you can see that 12 has 6 factors altogether, so 12 is definitely not a prime number. Prime numbers only have 2 factors, and it has an infinite number of multiples, because any number in the 12 times table going forever can be a multiple of 12. So hopefully you've learnt today there's some difference between factor and a multiple. And maths is so fun with Mr Nunn and my flowery shirts. That's enough today.